Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you different ways you can style your denim jackets, and also I'm going to be including chambray in this, how you can style it. All right.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Some of us, it might be new to you, and some of you out there, you might know what is meant by chambray, because not all denim jackets are denim jackets. Some of them are chambray, and chambray means the way that you can differentiate between a denim jacket and chambray is the softness of the material. Some denims that we all know, sometimes, you know, like the one I'm featuring on the screen right now, is jean jackets, denim jackets. When you touch that material, it's a little bit hard, not very hard, but it's hard compared to a chambray. Chambray are softer. They have softer feels when you touch them. So most of us might see this and call it a denim jacket, which I always do very long time ago, before I realized that there are difference between jean jackets and a chambray. So like this one I'm wearing right now is very soft. You could call it a denim if you want to, but I'm gonna go with chambray because it's softer than the other one that I featured before. So without wasting much of your time, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. About what I'm wearing right now, I'm trying to do this video in a different way to give you information about what I put on. Let me know if you like this method in the comment section, because I don't like prolonging my video for no reason, but I just wanted to try something new with you guys to see how you will like it. Let me know if you like this part where I'm telling you about actually what I'm wearing, where it is from, where they have from. All right, let me know in the comment section. So I'm putting on the chambray. This one is by YMI. The pant that I'm wearing today, it's by Fashion Nova. I bought it long time ago. Of course, it's denim. So the reason why I decided to choose this style, first of all, to show you this, is because most of us will actually go with this, and I decided to pair with a pink tank top by Shein. I decided to pick it with a pink shoe. This is by Jessica Simpson. I decided to pair them together. Very intentional. This is what we talk about, intentional styling. I decided to do that just for me to be able to look more feminine. So I decided to put that together, compared to me just putting it on like that and putting on sneakers. But I wanted to look like, you know, like a chic and feminine. You could tuck it in if you want, you could tie it up if you want, but I chose to do this, and like I said, this is it. And the necklace I'm wearing is by Guess, is layers, and that is it about this outfit. So now let's talk about this outfit. This is another intentional way of styling your denim top. All right, this belt, it's by Next. Also my shoe is by Next. I've had all these things for a very long time. You all know that in my videos I don't talk about what I wear, I just show you the style and I'll start playing music. But I intended to try this style. I don't know if you guys will like it, but let me know, like I said. And the top is still the same one I'm wearing that I wore from the first one. This is the second look, and this is how this is looking. It's intentional, you know. You just don't want the boring way of wearing, you know, denim top like all the time. So I decided to pair with this skirt. This skirt I bought a long time ago from Amazon. It came with a scrub top. So for me to wear this skirt, to utilize my money, I have to find a way to, because the scrub top is very short and I didn't want to wear such top anymore that are very revealing. I still reveal, don't get me wrong, you can see me revealing my legs, but I just reveal a little bit. You can show your feminine side and still be sexy without revealing too much, if you all get my point. Right, ladies, this is another intentional styling. All right, so I pair this same jacket, same top, with a bodysuit that I bought from Fashion Nova a while ago, with this bohema necklace that I hardly wear. I've had it for a very long time. It's actually longer than this. I had to break it apart because it was just too much going on. So if you all can see, I'm more of using some kind of, you know, a little bit of statement necklace with a very small earrings. That's the way I style my outfit. Some people, they decide to go with all in here. I mean, if that's your preference, why not? It's allowed. We are allowed to, you know, different dress the way we like, the way we want to express ourselves is different from every other person. So but I like to tone one down and let one speak louder. So I'm going to be allowing my neck to do a lot of talking today. All right, so like I said, I paired with animal prints pants, jogger pants that I bought from a website that is called Clothing Under 10. And the sandals I'm wearing are from Next. Yes, if you all want to have something that are very feminine and very affordable, very classic, I would recommend Next brand. They're very affordable and they last for a very long time. Like these sandals, I've worn them for years and they are still like very in good shape. The clutch, I can't even remember what brand is this. It doesn't have any brand. I think I bought it in just one store where we used to live. It doesn't have any name, but I love it and it's been years again that I've worn this as well. So this is another intentional styling, you know, coming out with your denim top, all dress up, all, you know, you can look dressed up, you can look dressed down. It's really good, it's comfortable, it's stylish. You can also pair this with a sneaker, like, you know, pair with a sneaker and still look like a chick. All right, in fact, I'm gonna go ahead and pair with a sneaker and let's see how that looks. How about that? Next outfit, which is outfit number 4, intentional styling of your denim jean. It's this denim jean that I'm wearing. It's white. I've owned this for a while. I actually forgot what brand it is because it doesn't have any name at the back. I tried to see, maybe it's randomly purchased in the store. You know, some stores like that. So it's been a while that I own this and it's still very nice, very clean. This skirt I purchased from Amazon. It's a polka dot, you all can see, white and red, and I paired it with a shoe that I bought from a thrift store in my city right here. I love the block heel. It's ever in style, like it's very comfortable. I love it. Like I said, I love to buy things that I can wear year round. I don't have to be particular about is it in vogue or not. So this is really beautiful. And of course, I didn't have any other clutch that actually in the texture of the shoe. You can see the clutch I'm holding. It's a glossy one, like a leather pair, painted leather. If that is the right word, you know, that I can use to describe it. You can see how glossy it looks, different from the texture of my shoe, and this is what I own at home, so I started to pair with it. Why not? And the necklace I'm wearing is by Guess, and it's the statement for the day. Likewise, I'm still wearing my very simple earrings to go with it, and this is the intentional, you know, way of styling your denim jean. You still look like a chick, you still look stylish, and you're ready to go. And this is the back. The camisole, I forgot to talk about it. This is by Boho. Yeah, from Boho website. This is, I purchased the camisole from them, and it's ivory color. It's not white, it's ivory, but it looks really good. It's cut out right here, somewhere here. You all can see it right here. So it's stylish too, very girly. So ladies, I wanted to show you the beauty of this dress before I pop in the denim top to style it. Alright, this dress I purchased in a thrift store as well. It's been a long time. I'm sure it's not this city because it's not new in my wardrobe. I purchased a very long time in a particular thrift store, maybe where I used to live before. And this is how the back is looking. See how beautiful this is. It's so comfortable, it's so soft. It has no brand at the back. I didn't see anything. I mean, I would have told you what brand it is, but I bought it from a thrift store. And I paired it with this shoe by Anne Michelle. Yeah, Anne Michelle. I bought it from a store called It's Fashion, and this brand is called Anne Michelle. This shoe that I'm wearing is actually the knit shoe. Knit, you know, like knitted. Yeah, so look at that. The shoe, it's so beautiful and it goes well with it, and it's, you know, you can dress this dress up or dress it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in my, you know, on a very cool and breezy day, you can just put this on, and when you put on your denim jacket on top, it will keep you a little bit warm, you know, while you go about your business. So I just went ahead and, you know, button it up to a certain stage. Like I intentionally left this place open. All right, and I pop in this belt. This belt is by Calvin Klein, and of course my old school clutch. I grabbed that again, and this is how this is looking. That is actually to, you know, to accentuate your waist, to just give it that shape and make you look more feminine. And this also is to make you look more feminine, you know. That's why I decided to leave that like that, and this is it. Alright ladies, this is the next outfit. This is the chambray dress, and this is really soft, like buttery soft, very soft. I don't know how else to describe it. Anyway, this is by Old Navy. I bought it at Old Navy. It's been a while too, and this belt is by Ralph Lauren. It's animal prints. I paired with an animal print shoes by BCBG. Yes, yeah, this is by BCBG. And my purse that I'll be carrying, which is a clutch, you could use it as you could use it like you could carry it this way, you could carry it like this, and also you could just pop those in and just carry it like a clutch. It's by Coach, and I've worn it too for a very long time. And this is my last outfit. This is the bandage skirt from a website, a black owned company called Miss Blings. It's been a while I purchased this as well, and I went ahead and paired with the same shoe that you all have seen before by Jessica Simpson. And this is also YM high denim top that you all have seen before, and I just changed my earring to this that I randomly purchased in a store, has no brand. I just love the style, the shape, and you know, the vibe it gives me whenever I put it on. And this is it. Intentional styling. You look very girly, you look very stylish, you look very feminine, and that is it. All right ladies, and this concluded the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know if you like this kind of video where I talk to you about what I'm wearing, where they are from. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to tell me which of the outfits is your favorite, how I paired it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.